It's doggy bath day. Stay tuned for all the fun. Yeah, we're gonna take a bath. You wanna take a bath? We're gonna get a bath right now. Gonna get inside. Gotta get in the tub. Get in the tub, Fetty. Come on, Fat Duffus, get in the tub. Come on. Get in the tub. Come on. Let's take a bath. Come on. Let's take a bath. Let's take a bath. There you go, good boy. Oh, I gotta get the handheld thingy. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Wait. I'll make it not so crazy. Here we go. There we go. It'll get warm. No shaking. So Dozer's getting a bath today. We're going to use this new medicated shampoo on him. He's been having some skin issues and not sure if it's related to Hawaii and, you know, humidity and weather that we're not used to, but we haven't changed his diet or anything. That's the only thing that's any different is the location of the bulldog. So we got some of this medicated shampoo, this curaseb, we're gonna put on him. We only ever use this bathroom for dogs, dog baths. So we're not going to use this on his face. We're only going to use it on his body. Guess I should have opened it first. Here we go. He loves baths, so really it makes it pretty easy to give him a bath. It has to stay on his fur and his skin for 5 to 10 minutes once we get it rubbed in really good. But he's been having, see under his chin, you can see that some irritation, and his wrinkles have been worse than they have ever been before. Then we got both dogs, the flea and tick medication, the Advantix. They got the Brevecto pill to come over here and it made them sick. So I won't give them that again. But that was a Hawaii approved flea and tick medicine, so that's what we gave him. Even like his little armpits have been red and not feeling so great, and both dogs just like chew and chew and chew and chew on themselves like when they get up in the morning and all that business. What you doing, Stuffy? We're having an open house next door, so there's some action going on over there, so he's kind of curious about that. I found him a stroller, a bike trailer, but it's you can use it as a stroller, a jogger, or whatever. Picked it up on Friday, a used one, so we went for a little spin up and down the street, little driveway here today. Fatty wasn't too sure about it at first, but Tucker, he loves everything, so Tucker's pretty easy going. It's this guy that's a pain in the butt. But that's a typical bulldog. Oh, it's at the spot. Oh, I got the spot, the fatty spot. You. Just trying to rub it in really good. He's been shedding like a madman also, which is kind of crappy. Get your butt really good here. Then last night he got sick. I think he just drink so much water. We were gone, busy most of the day running errands, so they were here by themselves. I think he gets so excited when we get home that he gets all worked up and gets overheated, and then he ate and then drank water, too much water, too fast, and threw up all his food. He wasn't feeling very good last night. But he sure was hungry this morning. Did his toenails a little bit, but last time I did his toenails, I cut one a little too short. Oh man. So he is not real thrilled about getting his toenails cut because he still remembers. So I just had to do them real fast. Okay, we gotta get this side, bud. Normally he doesn't lay down. He normally stands up the entire time. Man, look at all the hair. Bathtub. But since this stuff has to sit on him for 10 minutes, it's probably best that he lay around. But his little armpits here have been really bothering him. But this is antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-yeast. So this is really a lot of what he needs and kind of what he's got going on with the skin. I know that's what's wrong with his wrinkles is yeast, but I don't know. I'm going to see what I can do about washing his face with this stuff, but I don't really know how to go about that without, you know, getting it in his eyes and up his little snout, and plus it's got to sit on his face for 10 minutes. I don't know how that's gonna do. Get you rinsed off, yeah? We'll get you rinsed off. Get your belly and chest really good here. You're so dirty. Dirty birdies. You're just a dirty birdie. You're a dirty birdie. I don't spend a whole bunch of time outside because the grass is kind of pokey. I'm always afraid it's going to shoot on him. No, Look at all that hair and dirt. No, The shampoo's red, so looks like I dyed his hair red and I'm rinsing him off. Does that feel good? Does that feel good? Yeah. Oh, I know. Tucker's barking downstairs. Oh, be quiet. There's no action going on. Okay, we're going to use the strong one, okay? Because we got to really get this stuff washed off of here. Get a little on this. See what we can do about. See, it's gross in there. Stop. We wash his wrinkles every day. And they're nasty like this every day. Sometimes twice a day, depending on the day and what he's got going on. All right, we have a towel. He's been farting up a storm all day, and this is not helping him at all. Whoa, boy. I got the bathroom door closed so he doesn't escape.